How can you transfer information from Android to iPhone? Let me guide you through some possible scenarios. Let's get started. If it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Of course, it depends on what type of information you're trying to transfer. If it's just something small like a couple of photos or, I don't know, contacts, you can use the cloud methods or share it over the internet. Like you could, for example, upload your photos to the Google Drive and then access it through the same account on the iPhone, or even use an external storage where you connect it at first to the Android device, copy the information on the external storage, and then connect it to the iPhone, and you will be able to access it there. But I think, and I suppose a lot of people, the majority, wants to basically transfer all information from Android to the iPhone when switching devices. And for that, the by far best method to do it would be to download an app on the Android Google Play Store, which is called Move to iOS. It's actually been developed by Apple and made available on the Google App Store, the Play Store for Android. And you can download an app and it's going to basically guide you through the whole process, but it's like the official way of transferring as many files and as much information as possible from Android platform to the iPhone whenever you're switching devices. So this is what I would do. I would just keep the phones side by side and go through the process. Obviously, you will have to confirm it with a couple of passcodes on one screen and the other, but I'm just giving you the blueprint because not that many people are familiar with this app, and it's actually great. I've used it multiple times over, so that's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work for yourself, or if there's something more specific which I did not cover, then let me know about that as well, and perhaps I can make an updated video about that too. But that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more so you never miss anything.